Take and receive, O Lord. Take and receive, O Lord, my liberty. Take all my will, my mind, my memory, all things I hold, and all I own are thine. Thine was the gift to thee. I all resign. Do thou direct and govern all and sway. Do what thou wilt command, and I obey. Only thy grace, thy love on me bestow. These make me reach, all else will I forgo. Do thou direct and govern all and sway. Do what thou wilt command, and I obey. Only thy grace, thy love on me bestow. These make me reach, all else will I forgo. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings that we receive.